Hello guys. Here, let's talk about my tools. I have a multimeter here. I've been using this baby for a long time. And then I want to change the props. I went to town today to buy new props, and I want to explain why I want to change this multimeter props. Okay, this is the new one. These are old ones. Okay, I want to change them now. These ones, guys, they are sharp. Hope you can see they are more like a nickel, and this one they are blunt. So that's why I want to change and start using the new one, the sharp ones. You can get them online from AliExpress. You can place your order there, and I'll make sure that I put some links under the description. Anyway, let's move on. Now let's talk about the ply tool. Here I have a ply tool. I use this to open laptops, even phones as well. This is the best. I won't lie to you guys. You need to have this. This is sharp. Let's talk about this guy here. This is a razor. It's more like a cutter. It's very sharp. I hope you can see it. I use it a lot, and it's nice. It's a nice tool to have if you are doing repairs. Right, and this here, it razors. It comes, I think it's 5 of them or 10. I'm not sure, but let's see inside. Hope you can see it. Bunch of razors for this tool. Okay, here let's talk about wait, let's talk about my microscope. This is my microscope. I use this to record videos, stream online, and it's sharp. I won't lie to you guys. The quality is sharp. And this is the lights as well. You can adjust it here. Less lights, more lights, it's up to you. This is the King's microscope. You can use VGA, you can use HDMI, and I'm using HDMI. Here we have 12 volts. It uses that 12 volts. Let's move on. I use a vacuum heat station, a heat gun. This is the old vacuum as well. It's a heat gun. There it's my soldering iron, and then here it's my UV lights. I use the UV lights, guys, a lot. Then here it's my last baby, the power supply. It's 30 volts and 10 amps. It's very good. Then let's talk about my screwdrivers. I use these ones. They are nice, and I use these tools to open phones, laptops, and then LCDs. Okay guys, this is my desk. This is my desk where I keep all my stuff, and this is a big shelf. These are laptops, gaming consoles, and then after that, it's where I keep everything. Hope you can see. It's a bunch of tools. I use alcohol too much. And here, this is my multimeter as well, but it's for capacitors. All of these are my repairs. Here, this is a desk where I strip things, do everything. Right. And you know the guy, this is Rick Sanchez. Here I have another big desk cabinets where we install things, we put things here, repairs, everything. There's my my notes. This is a cupboard where I keep everything. Here already we are working here. That's my fish down there, and this is my desk. Anyway, yep,